Welcome to a look at one of the most intriguing innovations in sustainable travel, the bicycle camper. This tiny home on wheels, which in this specific image appears to be an e-trike conversion, blends the freedom of cycling with the comfort of a miniature caravan. It's a testament to micro-living and human-powered adventure. The goal is to provide a complete, albeit compact, shelter solution that can be towed or, in this case, integrated with an electric bicycle platform, allowing access to places conventional RVs simply can't reach. Let's begin by focusing on the exterior design. The camper shell itself is reminiscent of vintage travel trailers, featuring a classic, ribbed fiberglass or aluminum siding painted a bright white or cream color. This choice of material is primarily for lightness and durability, two essential factors when your primary propulsion is a bicycle. The rounded shape at the front minimizes wind resistance, which is crucial for maximizing battery life on the electric assist or reducing pedaling effort. Note the awning deployed on the side. This simple fabric extension dramatically increases the usable living space, offering shade or rain protection for an outdoor cooking or lounging area. The windows are small but strategically placed for light and ventilation, often designed to open or include an integrated screen to keep insects out. You can also spot a small storage or luggage rack mounted on the roof, providing additional capacity for gear like solar panels, which many owners add for off-grid power or extra camping equipment. Now, let's look at the rolling platform. What sets this particular design apart is its integration with an e-trike base, moving beyond a simple towed trailer. The front features a standard bicycle fork, handlebars, and a large wheel, but the cabin rests on a low, three-wheeled chassis. This wide, stable base is vital for road safety and navigating uneven terrain. Crucially, the bicycle component is often an e-bike, or electric bicycle. The electric motor and battery provide the necessary torque and assistance to move the considerable weight of the camper and the rider up hills and over long distances. The trike format offers inherent stability, meaning the rider doesn't have to balance the heavy load while starting or stopping, a major benefit over a traditional two-wheeled towing setup. The wheels on the camper body appear robust, with wide tires suitable for both paved and unpaved surfaces, which aligns with the spirit of adventurous, off-the-grid camping. Moving inside, though the door is small, the interior is where the clever engineering truly shines. YouTube videos often demonstrate how these tiny spaces are meticulously engineered to be multifunctional. The main area typically converts from a dining or desk space during the day to a comfortable sleeping area at night. The seating benches usually contain storage compartments underneath, maximizing every inch of available volume. The sleeping area, often a custom-cut memory foam mattress, is sized just enough for one person, or occasionally two if it extends slightly over the bike's frame. For cooking, the setups are minimal but functional. A small counter space, often with a pull-out drawer for utensils, and sometimes a simple single-burner propane or butane stove. In this picture, you can